أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والمحصنات من النساء إلا ما ملكت أيمانكم كتاب الله عليكم وأحل لكم ما وراء ذلكم أن تبتغوا بأموالكم محصنين غير مسافحين فما استمتعتم به منهن فآتوهن أجورهن فريضة ولا جناح عليكم فيما تراضيتم به من بعد الفريضة إن الله كان عليما حكيما. The fifth juz of the Qur'an comprises of Surah An Nisa verses 24 to 147. This juz begins with the instructions of marriage, especially concerning women who cannot be taken in marriage. Moreover, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guides Muslims to maintain a healthy relationship between husband and wife and gives guidelines to resolve disagreements if they arise. Subhanallah, Islam wants to beautify our lives and wants us to understand that men are the caretakers of women. Islam secures the rights of parents, rights of relatives, rights of neighbors, rights of slaves, and rights of poor. It is the duty of a believer to establish justice and protect the rights of everyone according to the Qur'an and Sunnah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forbids praying when one is intoxicated until one knows what they are saying. Allah Almighty encourages purity by mentioning the rules of tayammum, wudu, and ghusl, whereas internal purity comes with a submission to Allah and prayer. Muslims are not allowed to miss prayer, even at the time of fear when they are in the battlefield. Allahu Akbar. Allah Almighty makes it easy by shortening the prayer while one is on a journey. Indeed, a true believer consults the Qur'an and Sunnah in every matter of life, even if there is a difference of opinion. We are commanded to ponder over the teachings of Islam. But those who try to refer to something rather than Islam, they are the misguided ones. Indeed, a hypocrite is the one who turns away others as well from the straight path of Islam. The hypocrite's attitude to the Prophet and to the believers is mentioned. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in verse 78 and 79, "Wheresoever you may be, death will overtake you, even if you are in fortresses built up strong and high. And if some good reaches them, they say, this is from Allah. But if some evil befalls them, they say, this is from you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Say, all things are from Allah. So what is wrong with these people that they fail to understand any word? Whatever of good reaches you is from Allah. But whatever of evil befalls you is from yourself. And we have sent you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as a messenger to mankind. And Allah is sufficient as a witness." Then, the directions are given to deal with hypocrites who are inclined towards fighting. Merits are mentioned for those who migrate for the cause of Allah Almighty. Moreover, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in verse 124, "And whoever does righteous and good deeds, male or female, and is a true believer in the oneness of Allah, such will enter paradise, and not the least injustice, even to the size of a speck on the back of a date stone, will be done to them. Subhanallah, the Almighty constantly motivates us and assures that justice will be granted. In the end of the Juz, a reminder and or chance is given in verse 146, which is, except those who repent from hypocrisy, do righteous good deeds, hold fast to Allah, and purify their religion for Allah, by worshipping none but Allah and do good for Allah's sake only, not to show off, then they will be with the believers, and Allah will grant the believers a great reward. And in verse 147, why should Allah punish you if you have thanked Him and have believed in Him? And Allah is ever all appreciative of good, all knowing. This is clear proof that Allah is Ghafoor and Rahim and grants the opportunity to ask forgiveness from Him. Allahu Akbar. With that, I leave you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.